machine learning has demonstrated remarkable efficacy in addressing complex challenges across diverse research domains, prompting researchers from various fields to incorporate machine learning methodologies into their work. However, the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence and machine learning presents a significant obstacle in maintaining current knowledge. Many researchers primarily require machine learning-based methods as analytical tools without necessitating an in-depth understanding of machine learning fundamentals. Additionally, the development and maintenance of comprehensive machine learning pipelines can be complex, while existing online services often raise concerns regarding data protection, privacy, and cost-effectiveness, frequently offering limited functionality beyond graphical interfaces. In response to these challenges, we present asanAI, a browser-based, no-code, offline-first, machine learning toolkit designed to democratize access to machine learning. This innovative platform provides seamless access to machine learning fundamentals for a diverse audience, including students, educators, researchers, and machine learning experts. By offering an intuitive interface and eliminating the need for extensive coding expertise, asanAI empowers users across various disciplines to harness the potential of machine learning in their respective fields of study and application. The asanAI project is accessible through its public GitHub repository. Upon execution of the installation script, the environment is configured, and a browser window launches, presenting the asanAI graphical user interface. For enhanced accessibility, the asanAI website offers a pre-configured instance. Once fully loaded, the platform operates offline, conducting all computations locally. If available, asanAI leverages GPU capabilities via WebGL. The graphical interface architecture comprises three primary components: a side panel accommodating diverse layers, a top ribbon encapsulating generic settings, and a central display area illustrating various pipeline stages. The current instance features a preloaded sample image dataset for demonstration purposes. In beginner mode, a virtual assistant provides guidance and prevents incompatible settings to facilitate user progress. The Visualization tab presents a graphical representation of network layers, allowing for convenient addition, removal, and modification of layers. Each layer offers relevant settings and configurations based on its type. For enhanced user experience, default values can be adjusted from the top ribbon. As model training commences, real-time visualizations depict training progress and resource utilization. Simultaneously, the trained model's status can be monitored and verified through various input options. For educational purposes and further analysis, additional visualization methods are provided, depending on the problem type. The math mode offers in-depth insights into weight and bias calculations, while the visualization of maximally activated neurons in each layer serves as an additional tool for verifying correct feature selection by the model. Upon achieving satisfactory results, the model, along with training data and calculated weights, can be exported. Furthermore, an interactive representation of the current experience and auto-generated Python code for replication on other machines are available for download. To facilitate proper data inclusion and ensure a seamless user experience, dedicated assistants have been developed for each data input method. The ongoing development of the asanAI library aims to enable expert users to integrate asanAI features into their existing toolsets and develop target-specific tools and demonstrators suitable for various user groups. asanAI aspires to democratize access to machine learning tools, making them accessible with minimal effort and requiring only a modern internet browser, thus enabling machine learning enthusiasts to engage with the field regardless of their technical background. We highly appreciate the opportunity to demonstrate asanAI to the machine learning community and gather their valuable feedback.